Hello students, welcome to Shore of Sir's classes. You can reach us at www.shoreofsirclasses, that is SOURAVSIRCLASSES.com, or call us or WhatsApp us in case of any queries or clarifications at 98748222756 or 9836793076. You can also email us at shoreofsirclasses@gmail.com. So today we will be solving some BCA questions. Let's move on. So now we have question number 24 in hand. The phrases of RAD model are, and we have four options given to us. The first option states business modeling, B says data modeling, C says application generation, and D says all of these above. So the phrases in RAD model or rapid application development model are business, this is a B, business modeling, data modeling, process modeling, application modeling, and the testing and turnover. So in a rapid application development model, business modeling is present, data modeling is also present, application generation is also present. So basically the answer will be all of the above. So the answer is all of the above, that is option number D. So the answer is D. Now moving on to the next question. So next we have question number 25. What is the goal of normalization? So the goal of normalization is to have relational tables free of redundant data that can be correctly modified with consistency. So the goal of normalization is to have relational tables free of redundant, this is an R, redundant data that can be correctly modified with consistency. So that's it. Now moving on to the next question. Question number 26 says which testing methods are used by end users who test software before using it. So what is the testing method used by end users who test softwares before using it? So the answer is alpha testing, and beta testing. So whenever products are launched by firms and companies, they undergo both alpha testing and beta testing before they are truly launched, for the general public. So the answer is alpha testing and beta testing. Moving on to the next question. Question number 27 says, what is the best way to conduct a requirement validation review? So we need to find the best way to conduct a requirement validation review. The answer is obviously the method is to the method is to use a checklist of questions okay, questions to examine each of the requirements. So the method is to use a checklist of questions in order to examine each of these requirements. So that's it. Thank you guys.